Hey guys, Sydney Amani here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So this tutorial is part 2 of a mini updo series. So if you want to know how I did this super cute braided ponytail, keep watching. So first I'm going in with the castor oil flaxseed eco styling gel, and this style is actually going to be on like a super stretched like braid out. So I didn't put too much of the gel on my hair because I didn't want my hair to revert back to like really curly because I wanted more of a sleek look. So I'm being really gentle with the amount of product that I'm putting on my hair. And for extra hold, I'm using the Gorilla SNOT gel, and I love this stuff because it gives me extra hold without really reverting my hair back. To set my hair and make sure that it is extra slicked, by the end of this, I am putting my scarf on around my edges, and then I'm going to continue styling my hair. So I have to like make this bun as small as possible, so I'm like twisting it around each other and making like scrunching it, and then I'm using a ponytail holder to secure it down. So now I'm using a beauty supply store pack of braiding hair, and I'm using the rubber band that came with the braiding hair, and I wrapped that around my bun twice for like to make sure it's extra secure. And I'm separating the hair in 3, and now I'm just braiding it down. I go in with some of the eco styling gel just to smooth out the braid as I go, just to make sure it's as like neat as possible. So because I actually don't want my braid to be extra neat, I'm going and separating the braid just to give it more of a messy look. And now that I have the braid exactly how I want it, I'm going to secure it on top with a bobby pin so it doesn't move and it covers my bun. So going with edge control, I'm just going to slick the edges down to my desired style. And of course, everyone gets as creative as they want when it comes to the edges. I'm like a low-key beginner, so I try though. And just peeking those baby hairs out and just securing and putting pins in where needed. And this is the final look. If you haven't already, watch part 1, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.